Welcome everyone. So today we'll actually do something different. I thought today I got a new toy and well, look at unpacking it. Here's my new toy. It's actually for my son, but I will get it set up, ready, and then we'll go over to the beach and test it. So let's get right into it. Okay, we'll open the box and see what's inside. Come on. That's a very well packed box. Here's the box part. Jesus. They packed it well. Look at that. A nice clean box inside. We've got an instruction manual. All the setup. What we've got. Oh, Amazon gift card. Nice. And then we'll open that. And let's look at this. Excellent. So we've got a nice remote control. Take this off. With an LCD screen, so I guess it shows the battery life, the tilt, a few other bits and pieces. It's cool. And we've got a boat itself. We've got some other bits and pieces. We'll put it here. Get rid of this. Cool. Well, that's a very nice looking boat. Based on the guys who sold it to me on Amazon, it should go up to about 24-25 kilometers an hour. So let's see if it works. Well, if it will work, we'll definitely test it out on the ocean. So I guess that's the cover. So cover one. Well, it's definitely more solid to the previous ones I owned. Let's see. Open this. So that should come off. Oh, excellent. And it has a battery. It has a cover case here. Oh, and they even included a spare battery. That doesn't happen very often. So I guess we'll have to... Let's see what they have here as well. Ah, nice. They have a little nice thing to wipe boat off, I guess. And they've got a lot of bits and pieces. So from what I can see, they have a boat stand. We'll put that together. That should come up quite quickly together. So let's see. Just go this way. Up. And that way. Cool. So that's a boat stand. Should be like that. So we have a charger. We have a spare propeller. That's good. We have a screw. Again, that's for a spare propeller. Screwdriver that you don't see very often. And a little wrench. And I guess this is the boat nose cover when you transport it. Oh, something along that line. I'll figure it out once we get to it. Okay, excellent. So that's the boat. That's the remote. I will get it assembled. And I will see you all on the beach testing the boat. See you shortly. Well, we've made it to the pool now. So let's see how the boat performs and let's see if we can have some fun with it.
Нравится?
Well, we're back now, so we've had a lot of fun with this boat, and both in swimming pools and in the ocean, and I have to admit I am quite impressed. This boat did perform very well. There's no leakages, there's nothing, and you know, in comparison to some other boats that we bought locally here for my son, they didn't last more than 1 or 2 goes. This one actually performed. It's a lot of fun, it's fast, it's very stable, easy to control, and I must admit it's a lot of fun. So what can I say? If I open it up, I can show you the engine compartment, the cool part of the boat. You know, here it is. So as you can see, there's still a little bit of sand, but nothing got into the engine or any moving bits. There's no, you know, rust or leakages whatsoever. So you know, the engine is clean, all the tubing are clean, so there's, you know, it actually did, you know, what it's supposed to do, and we are quite impressed. So what's next? Well, I think I'll be buying another one. It's definitely a lot of fun, and will be much more fun when I get to race 2 of them with my son. So yes, overall very much impressed. So I will put the link in the video description just to see if anyone interested. I got this off Amazon, I think for about 40 or 50 bucks, and it's, you know, definitely worth it. And you know, living in UAE and having, you know, really nice beaches and pools all around, so it's a lot of fun, and I'm sure we'll have a lot more fun when the second one arrives. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.